All right, it's time for a quick little road trip to Chateau Elan. First, I'm going to drop off my dog at the dog resort and then hit the road. All right, let's go. Okay, while we're pulling up into the property, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below if you haven't done so already, and the notification bell so you're notified when next week's video comes out. Videos come out every Tuesday at 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And you'll want to press that button because we're going to have a part 2 of Chateau Elan coming soon. All right, I have made it to Chateau Elan and parked. I still have to check in. Check-in is not until 4 p.m. So I don't know if I'll be able to check in or not. So we'll see. I don't know if I should take my stuff or not because I do not want to leave it with the front desk. So yeah, maybe I'll just grab my purse and my bag with my cleaning supplies just in case. I have made it. I checked in. I'm gonna go to my room and clean it up. I have something left in the car. I didn't know if I was going to be able to check in or not, so I have to go back here shortly. So let's see what it looks like. All right, welcome to my room. Do a quick tour before I start cleaning. As y'all know, if you've seen the previous videos of me checking hotels, I've always cleaned my room. But now that COVID is around, it's even more important to clean. I already cleaned that counter off just in case you were wondering. Anything you might touch, need to clean. Oh, it says fresh remote. Doesn't mean they cleaned it, but I'm still gonna clean it just in case. Traveling during coronavirus. So the room is all clean. It's all clean. Let me take you into the bathroom because you haven't seen that yet. I hope the toilet's not going crazy, but let's see. All right, I have changed my clothes into a dress. My hair kind of got blown away with the wind, but I'm ready to go and see what they have to offer at the resort. My dress is kind of wrinkled. Hopefully they fall. I ain't using no iron. You'll see in a little bit my review about Patty's where we went to eat for lunch. I didn't record it because of the lack of service. And plus, me and my friend hadn't seen each other for a little bit, so we wanted to catch up. So I just omitted any recording from Patty's. The wind has gotten the most of my hair. I am walking from the inn, what you see back there, and I'm headed over to the winery. The wind was killing me here, but I'm walking back over to the winery to get my free bottle of wine, or the bottle that was included with my room. So I had the Summer Lovin' package, which came with 2 vouchers for bottles of wine and $50 credit to the resort. So that's excellent. So I just picked up a bottle of Pinot Noir to take back to and wait for them. So I'm back in my hotel room waiting for dinner. We're going to have dinner at a restaurant here called Versailles. They have, I believe, about 8 different restaurants here. And right now you have to make reservations at pretty much most of them. Some of them you can try to make online, but the others you may have to just walk up to the restaurant. We ate at an Irish pub called Patty's here on the property. The food was good. We enjoyed the food, but the service was kind of lacking. Maybe more so because they don't have a full staff right now due to the pandemic. So I'm not sure, but it was kind of lacking but the food was good, and it's right across from the inn. So I got my free bottle of wine here. I'm going to hydrate and enjoy dinner.
It's very similar to the steak fillet, which is same thing, same size, everything. It's just a steak instead.
All right, so I know some people are probably like, why didn't you record yourself eating, whatever? But I'm here to tell you that the salmon and risotto was really good and that cheesecake was amazing. But I'm here to enjoy myself and relax for the weekend, so I am not going to record myself eating for you guys. So hope you at least saw the food and how you know my review. But this next morning, the bed was not that comfortable, or should I say the room wasn't comfortable. I put the temperature on my normal temperature for a room, and it was so hot last night. And once I go to sleep, I do not get up and adjust the temperature. So I am up now, getting ready. I'm about to put makeup on, and then I'm going to actually go out in the vineyards and do my own personal photo shoot about my tripod and all this stuff. So I'm going to do that, and then see what else will happen today. All right, make sure you stay tuned to next week so we can finish up the visit at Chateau Elan. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit that like button. Also, make sure if you haven't already, subscribe and hit that notification bell. And lastly, share this video with your friends, family, and social media networks. Thank you so much again. Have a great day or night wherever in the world you are.